Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to customize chat list swipe gestures on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So if I swipe to left side, here you can see right now it's mute option. Now let's see how to customize this. So tap on this three line icon to the top left corner and tap on settings and tap on chat settings. Scroll down and here you'll find chat list swipe gesture. So from this list select which you want to set on your chat swipe. So I'm going to selecting here delete, and now if I swipe any chat, so here you can see now showing delete option here. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.